Hey there, I have a little collection of jewelry to show you. Let's see where to start. I'm going to start at Westport. That is just a piece of jasper, spiderweb jasper, that I found on the beach at Westport. Took it home and tumbled it, wrapped it with copper. And this is amethyst, and this freeform design is something that I showed you about a month ago on my channel. If you want to watch how to make this, click on the link up in the upper right corner. It's just very improvised. Okay, this is fossilized coral, and a friend of mine cut that cabochon. Pajar is his name. He lives in Indonesia. Okay, amethyst. Just a simple little amethyst. And Tibetan black quartz. And then this is carnelian that I found locally. I say locally, but Southwest Washington. Another carnelian, little dainty mini pendant, and black tourmaline. Agate, and then just a cut crystal, and that is everything. All right, thanks for watching.